muscle is going to be the biceps brachii, and the long head starts in the supraglenoid tubercle, which is not palpable, and then the short head begins on the coracoid process, which is right there, and then it goes down into the radiotuberosity. The second muscle is the brachialis, which starts on the anterior surface of the distal humerus and goes down into the ulnar tuberosity. And the third muscle is the brachioradialis, which begins on the lateral supracondylar ridge of the humerus and goes down all the way to the radial styloid process. And so to manual muscle test them all, for the biceps brachii, you have the patient make a muscle, and then you go stabilize at the back of the scapula. Alright, ready? Down the brachii. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, and then for the brachialis, you're going to have the patient do the same thing, but have their palm facing out. Stabilize the back of the scapula. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then for the brachioradialis, you're going to have them basically hold have them in the same position, but have them like they're holding a drink. And then stabilize. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And of course, you can do it bilaterally. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ready? To the brachialis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, and then the brachioradialis. Up a little more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ready? Alright. The next muscles are the triceps brachii and the anconeus. So the triceps, the long head begins in the infraglenoid tubercle, which is palpable, and the lateral and medial heads begin on the posterior aspect of the humerus and go into the olecranon process. And the anconeus begins on the lateral epicondyle and goes back into the olecranon process. And so to test them, you have the patient lie supine, or prone, on their stomach. And then you have their elbow a little off the table and flexed and a little adducted. And you stabilize and ready. Don't break you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, relax. The other side. Same deal. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, relax. Alright, ready? Alright, the next two muscles we're going to do is the supinator and the pronator teres. The supinator begins on the lateral epicondyle and the ulna and goes into the anterior surface of the proximal radius. And the pronator teres begins on the medial epicondyle and goes into the lateral shaft of the radius, so about right there. To test the supinator, you're going to have them put their hand like they're holding a bowl of soup, stabilize, and then pull them into pronation. Ready? Don't let it break you. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, and then for the pronator, you're going to have them in pronation and try to pull them into supination. Stabilize. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, I'm going to do it bilaterally. Alright, again, supination. Pull them into pronation. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, and then pronation.